Good morning to all. Today talk about a topic name is transmission media. Transmission media, also known as communication media, refer to the physical or wireless path through which data is transmitted from one device to another device in a computer network. The transmission media provides a means for the exchange of information between devices. Types of transmission media in this topic. There are two main types of transmission media. One is a guided media, another one is unguided media. Guided media usage of physical cables or wires to transmit data. There are examples of guided media: twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, fiber optic cables. First we saw twisted pair cables. Twisted pair cables consist of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. The degree of reduction in noise interference is determined by the number of turns per foot. Increasing the number of turns per foot decreases noise interference. The types of twisted pair. First one is unshielded twisted pair, another one is shielded twisted pair. First, unshielded twisted pair is widely used in telecommunication. Following are the categories of unshielded twisted pair cable. First category is used for telephone lines that have low speed data. Second category, it can support up to 4 Mbps. Third category, it can support up to 16 Mbps. Fourth category, it can support up to 20 Mbps. Therefore, it can be used for long distance communication. And in the last category, it can support up to 200 Mbps. There is advantages of unshielded twisted pair. It is cheap. Installation of the unshielded twisted pair is easy. It can be used for high speed LAN. And disadvantages: this cable can only be used for shorter distances because of attenuation. Another twisted pair is shielded. Shielded twisted pair is a cable that contains the mesh surrounding the wire that allows the higher transmission rate. Categories of shielded twisted pair. The cost of the shielded twisted pair cable is not very high and not very low. And installation of STP is easy. It has higher capacity as compared to unshielded twisted pair. It has a higher attenuation. It is shielded that provides the higher data transmission rate. Disadvantages: it is more expensive as compared to UTP and coaxial cable. It has a higher attenuation rate. Another cable is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is very commonly used in transmission media. For example, TV wire is usually usage of coaxial cable. The name of the cable is coaxial as it contains two conductors parallel to each other. It has a higher frequency as compared to twisted pair cable. The middle core is responsible for the data transferring, whereas the copper mesh prevents from the EMI. EMI full form is electromagnetic interference. Coaxial cable have two types. One is a baseband transmission, another one is broadband transmission. Baseband transmission is defined as the process of transmitting a single signal at high speed. Another one is transmission is broadband, defined as the process of transmitting multiple signals simultaneously. Advantages of coaxial cable: the data can be transmitted at high speed. It has better shielding as compared to twisted pair cable. It provides higher bandwidth. Disadvantages of coaxial cable: it is more expensive as compared to twisted pair cable. If any fault occurs in the cable, causes the failure in the internet network. Another cable is fiber optic. Fiber optic cable is a cable that uses electrical signals for communications. Fiber optic is a holds optical fibers coated in plastic that are used to send the data by pulses of light. The plastic coating protects the optical fibers from heat, cold, electromagnetic interference from other types of wiring. Fiber optics provide faster data transmission than copper wires. Basic elements of fiber optic cable: one is a core, another one is cladding, another one is jacket. Core optic fiber consists of a narrow strand of glass or of plastic known as a core. A core is a light transmission area of the fiber. The more the area of the core, the more light will be transmitted into the fiber. Next, cladding. A concentric layer of glass is known as cladding. The main functionality of the cladding is to provide the lower refractive index at the core interface as to cause the reflection within the core so that the light waves are transmitted through the fiber. Last one is jacket. The protective coating consists of plastic is known as a jacket. The main purpose of a jacket is to preserve the fiber strength, absorb shock and extra fiber protection. Advantages of fiber optic cable over copper. One is a greater bandwidth, faster speed, longer distances, better reliability, thinner and sturdier. Greater bandwidth. The fiber optic cable provides more bandwidth as compared to copper. Therefore, the fiber optic carries more data as compared to copper cable. Faster speed. Fiber optic cable carries the data in the form of light. This allows the fiber optic cable to carry the signals at a higher speed. Longer distances. The fiber optic cable carries the data at a long distance as compared to copper cable. Better reliability. The fiber optic cable is more reliable than the copper as it is any temperature changes while it can cause obstruct in the connectivity of copper cable. Thinner and sturdy. Fiber optic cable is thinner and lighter in weight, so it can more pull pressure than copper cable. And there is a guided media and unguided media advantages and disadvantages. High bandwidth, low noise, secure. Disadvantages: physical installation required, distance limitations, high cost. Unguided media advantages: easy installation, low cost, mobility. Disadvantages: low bandwidth, high noise, security risk. Applications of transmission media in this topic. First one is a LAN network, WAN network, wireless network, internet. LAN full form is a local area network. That is a guided media. Example, TP coaxial or commonly used. WAN full form is wide area network. It is a unguided media. Example, satellite, microwave are used. Another one, wireless network, unguided media. It is example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth are used. Last one is internet. A combination of guided and unguided media are used. In the summary, transmission media play a crucial role in computer networks, providing the physical or wireless path for data transmission. Understanding the characteristics, advantages and disadvantages of each transmission is essential for designing and implementing efficient and effective computer network. Thank you.